Keeping your Mac apps updated is one of the easiest ways to improve performance, fix bugs, and keep your system secure. In this video, we'll walk through how to update apps installed from the App Store, how to update apps downloaded directly from developers, and how to check all your apps for updates in one place. Apps installed through the App Store are the easiest to keep up to date. Open the App Store on your Mac, and in the sidebar, click Updates. Here you'll see a list of apps with newer versions available. To install an update, click Update next to the app's name. If you want to refresh everything at once, use the Update All button at the top. You can also enable automatic updates so your Mac handles this for you. Open App Store settings and enable automatic updates. Not all apps come from the App Store. Many apps downloaded from developers' websites use their own updating systems. To use it, open the app and choose Check for Updates in the app settings. If the app supports auto updates, for example, through Sparkle, you'll see a prompt to install the latest version. Enable automatic updates here if the option is available. If the app doesn't include any built-in update tool, you'll need to download the latest version manually from the developer's website. Always download updates from the official site or trusted sources. If you use apps from the App Store and apps downloaded directly from developers, checking each one individually can take time. To simplify the process, you can use App Cleaner and Uninstaller by Nektony. Open the app, switch to Updates, and you'll get a list of applications that need updating. Select the ones you want to update and click Update. This makes it easy to keep everything on your Mac up to date without switching between the App Store, individual apps, and multiple websites. Updating your apps regularly helps your Mac stay fast, stable, and secure. To make things even easier, try App Cleaner and Uninstaller.